As ChatGPT has taken the internet by storm, crossing 1 million users in its just 5 days. You may be wondering what machine learning algorithm is running under the hood. While ChatGPT uses a specific type of reinforcement learning called as reinforcement learning from human feedback or RLHF at a high level, it is an example of a large language model or LLM for short. Now this LLM is based on the transformer architecture. In this video, going to give you a very short history of what exactly this ChatGPT evolved from LLM and how LLM evolved from the transformer. Artificial intelligence or AI is in the talks for the last many decades, but it is just now that it is coming to a fruition and more people are drawing towards it. In 2017, Google Brain Team published a seminal paper called as Attention is All You Need, and I have put in the link of that paper in the video description. In this paper, they introduced a very popular transformer architecture, which is basically takes the input sequence and then also works it through a machine with different stages and then outputs it on the basis of deep learning. And on the screen, you can see the architecture of that transformer. I'm not going to go into the detail of how this works because the paper, which I will put the link in, has all the details. And it's a bit of a dry read, but if you are into these sort of things, then I think you'll enjoy it. Anyway, once the Google's Brain team published that paper about the transformer architecture, then Google really didn't build upon it and it just remained the research for a long time. But other companies and organizations they started working on the transformers and also started training these massive LLMs or large logical machines to make sure that they would build something productive. Now, when the other companies like OpenAI started working on these transformers, they started calling them large language models or LLMs. And then OpenAI really built upon it, and on November 30th, they introduced first LLM chatbot into the public, and it caught on very rapidly. And then since November last year or December last year, there have been hundreds and thousands of tools and software which are based on this LLM, and the list is only growing. And I believe this combined with prompt engineering and other disciplines of AI, they are going to really revolutionize how we are doing the IT. And I believe that after social media, mobile, and cloud, this will be the next big thing. I'll be posting more videos around this artificial intelligence and how this LLM can be used in practice. So stay tuned. I hope this is useful. Please, if you have any comments or feedback, put them in the comments. Thank you.